Hello everyone. Today we will learn about animals and their young ones. So let's begin. This is a horse and the baby of a horse is called colt. This is a dog and the dog's baby is called puppy. And this is a cow and the baby of a cow is called calf. And this is a lion. Lion's baby is called cub. And this is a goat. And the baby of a goat is called kid. And this is a cat. And the cat's baby is called kitten. And this is a deer. And the baby of a deer is called fawn. And this is a sheep. Sheep's baby is called lamb. And this is a tiger. And the tiger's baby is called cub. And this is a donkey. The baby of a donkey is called fawn. So children, here we learned the baby of animals. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.